Wait. Did you hear that sound? Sir, I found something magic. Look! It's a glowing treasure chest. But oh no! I can't open it alone. I need you. It only opens if you guess what's inside. Listen, meow meow. It has pointy ears, loves milk. What is it? It's a cat. You did it! The chest opened. Wait, it's moving again. Wait, Joe. That sound is big. It's loud, it's strong, it says roar. Whoa. That sound is big. It's strong. Is it a dog? No. Think fast. It's the king of the jungle. It's a lion. What's that sound? Elephant. Big, really big. It has a long loom nose. Is it a giraffe? No. Think again. It sprays water and stomps loudly. Elephant! But did you think the game is over? No. The chest is still glowing. Are you ready for more? Wow. You're beautiful. Where did you come from? Is it a worm? No. Think carefully. It's long, quiet, and a little sneaky. It's a snake. Whoa! Uh-oh. This one is tricky. Eerie tricky. Wait, it's shaking. Whoa! It's jumping so high. It has strong legs. Is it a rabbit? No. Think fast. It's a kangaroo. Wow. Wait, what? It's you. You are the smartest explorer. You did it. You opened all the magic secrets. Now tell me, which animal was your favorite? And are you ready for the next treasure adventure? Bye-bye, explorers!